Hi, this is John with WATI, and I wanted some more storage for my laptop, but I was really trying to get something big because I have to download games and big files that are going to be heavy on my laptop SSD. So this is where I found this Seagate BarraCuda 1 TB HDD. This drive, most people may think that is going to be slow while speeding or reading all the storage. This is so fast. It actually looks like an SSD. So one of the things that I like the most about this drive is how great it just works. All the data that I had to move from one drive to another, it just works great. And I use this as a backup internal storage for my laptop. Since this is a terabyte, the whole terabyte works great for me to download games, to download movies, or to download high capacity storage. So if you're looking for a great internal drive that is going to do the job for you, this one from Seagate, the BarraCuda, is going to work great. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.